This is in exercise 1B. 1B third sum. సింప్లిఫై అంటే దీన్ని చిన్న రూపంలో రాయాలన్నమాట మనం. The given problem is I square plus I power 4 plus I power 6 plus and so on plus. How many terms are there? 2n plus 1 terms. If the terms are 2n, then the number of terms even number. 2n is even. 2n means even number of terms. 2n plus 1, even number plus 1 is odd number of terms. So here the number of terms are in odd number anamata. So I square plus I power 4 can be written as I square whole square plus I power 6 can be written as I square whole cube. Like that, odd number of terms are there. And we know that I square value is minus 1. Here I square is minus 1. Minus 1 power 2, even number. Minus 1 power 2 means minus 1 into minus 1 will become plus 1. Here I square minus 1 power 3 is minus 1. ఈవెన్ పవర్లో ఈవెన్ ఉంటే ప్లస్ 1 వస్తుంది, పవర్లో ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఉంటే మైనస్ 1 వస్తుంది. అలాగా ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్లో మైనస్ 1 ప్లస్ 1 మైనస్ 1 ప్లస్ 1 అన్నీ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతాయి. ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ అంటే మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఒకటి మిగులుతుంది, అంటే minus 1 విల్ రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ టర్మ్స్ విల్ గెట్ క్యాన్సిల్డ్. సో ద ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ minus 1. So if you simplify this expression, you will get minus 1. Look at next sum. This is also here also we have to simplify. I power 18 minus 3 into I power 7 plus I square into 1 plus I power 4 into minus I power 26. This is the given sum. So write the sum as it is. I power 18 can be written as I square power 9. ఎందుకంటే 2 9s 18 అవుతుంది కదా, దీన్ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? I square whole power 9 minus I power 7 can be written as I power 6 into I power 6 I. Again I power 6 can be written as I square whole cube, because we know the value of I square. So the here we can substitute I square value. So for that purpose we are writing I power 7 as I square whole cube. This is I power 6 into another I, plus here I square value is minus 1, and in this bracket 1 plus I power 4 can be written as I square whole square, and outside minus I power 26 can be written as minus I whole square whole power 13, because 2 into 13 is 26. So look here, I square value is minus 1 power 9 minus 3 into I square value is here minus 1 whole power whole cube into I plus minus 1 into 1 plus here also I square value is minus 1 whole square is there, so whole square plus whole square into here minus I square means minus I square means minus I into minus I. This is minus into minus plus I into I will become I square. So here this value is I square whole power 13, and I square value is minus 1 whole power 13. Look here, minus 1 power odd number వస్తే minus 1 వస్తుంది, minus 3 into minus 1 power మళ్ళీ ఇది odd number minus 1 I as it is plus minus 1 into here minus 1 into minus 1 will become plus 1 plus 1 2, this is 2, and here this is minus 1 power 13. And look here, this is minus 1 minus into minus will become plus 3 into 1 3 1s are 3 into I is 3I plus here 1 plus 1 is 2, and here minus 1 power 13 is 13 odd number kada, minus 1 వస్తుంది. So ఇది minus 1 ఇది minus 1, so minus into minus will become plus 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2. So this is minus 1 and this is plus 2. 2 minus 1 will give you 1. So 1 plus 3i is the answer. This is the solution. Okay, next this is about square roots. This is our next topic, to find square root of a complex number. So square root of a complex number. If you want to find the square root of z, take z as a plus ib, general form of complex number. If you take square root on both sides, root z is equal to root of a plus ib. This is what we have to find out. And the formula to find square root of a complex number a plus ib is equal to plus or minus root of root a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I into root of root a square plus b square minus a by 2. Here the first formula having the condition if b is greater than 0. Look here, what is b? B is the coefficient of imaginary number. B is the coefficient imaginary number. A is the real part and b is the imaginary part. If the imaginary part is greater than 0, 0 కన్నా పెద్దదైతే అంటే +1 +2 అలాగా ప్లస్ వాల్యూలో ఉంటే 0 కన్నా పెద్దదన్నమాట. 0 కన్నా పెద్దదైతే ఇక్కడ మనం ప్లస్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఇఫ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ b ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ 0 అంటే మైనస్లో ఉందనుకోండి, దెన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ మైనస్ హియర్, అదర్వైజ్ ద హోల్ ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ సేమ్. If b is greater than, in here you have to take plus imaginary part. If b is less than 0, negative minus imaginary part, that is what you have to take. I'll read once again. The square root of a plus ib is equal to plus or minus root of root a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I into root of root a square plus b square minus a by 2 if b is greater than 0. Root a plus ib is equal to plus or minus root of root a square plus b square plus a by 2 minus I into root of root a square plus b square minus a by 2 if b is less than 0. సో ఫస్ట్ మనం b గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0నా b లెస్ దెన్ 0నా తీసుకుని మనం కండిషన్ని ఈ ఫార్ములాని అప్లై చేయాలి. లుక్ హియర్, ఫైండ్ ద స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ కాంప్లెక్స్ నంబర్స్. Here first complex number is 7 plus 24i. Look here, in this a value is 7 and b value is 24. This is plus 24. Ante b greater than 0. B greater than 0 because 24 is greater than 0. This is plus 24. So take first formula, root a plus ib is equal to plus or minus root of a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I into root of root a square plus b square minus a by 2. So in this formula substitute a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 24. So root of root a square means 7 square plus b square means 24 square plus a value is 7 by 2 plus I into root of root a square means 7 square plus b square means 24 square minus a value is 7 by 2. So we know that 7 square, 7 7s are 49 plus 24 into 24, 576. If you add 49 plus 576, you will get 625. Root 625 value is 25. మనకు తెలుసు కదా 625కి స్క్వేర్ రూట్ 25 అవుతుంది. అలాగే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ 7 7s at 49 plus 24 into 24 576. If you add 576 plus 49, you will get root 625 and the square root of 625 is 25. So ఇక్కడ 25 plus 7 by 2, here 25 minus 7 by 2. 25 plus 7 is 32 by 2. 32, 2లో ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ 16 times. And what is the square root of 16? That is 4. Here subtract 7 from 25 is 18. What is 18 by 2? 2 9s are 18. So root 9. Root 9 means 3. So this is equal to plus or minus 4 plus I3 means plus or minus 4 plus 3i is the square root of 7 plus 24i. This is the answer of root of 7 plus 24i. Square root of 7 plus 24i is 4 plus or minus 4 plus 3i. Next sum. Look at next sum. Here we have to find the square root of minus 5 plus 12i. Means a value is minus 5 and b value is plus 12. Means b is greater than 0. Again first formula. Here you have to take plus. So substitute a is equal to minus 5 and b is equal to 12 in this formula. So root of root a square minus 5 whole square plus b is 12 square minus a value is 5 by 2, and here also minus 5 root of root minus 5 whole square plus 12 square minus of a value is minus, again minus, here also minus, and in value of a is also another minus is there. So minus 5 whole square means minus 5 into minus 5, minus into minus will become plus 5 5 is 25, and this is 12 square, 12 is 144, 144 plus 25 is 169. So root of root 169 minus 5 by 2 plus I into root of root, again here also root 169, and here minus into minus will become plus 5 by 2, and we know that root 169 value is 13. So what is 13 minus 5? 13 minus 5 is 8. 8 by 2, 4. Here also 13 plus 5. Root 169 value is 13. 13 plus 5 is, what is 13 plus 5? 18. 18 by 2 is 9. So root 4 is 2 and square root of 9 is 3. So the square root of root minus 5 plus 12i is plus or minus 2 plus 3i. Okay. Next sum. Find the square root of 3 plus 4i. Very easy. In the place of a, substitute 3. In the place of b, substitute 4. So 3 square. 3 square means 3 3 is a 9 plus 4 4 is a 16. 9 plus 16 is, yes, 25. So root 25. What is root 25? 5. So 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 by, what is 8 by 2? 4. Then what is the square root of 4? 2 is the real part. Okay. Here also, look at here. Here also same. 3 square. 3 3 is a 9. Plus 4 square. 4 4 is a 16. What is 16 plus 9? Root 25. And what is square root of 25? 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. What is 2 by 2? 1. What is square root of 1? Square root of 1 is 1. And square root of 4 is 2. So the square root of root 3 plus 4i is plus or minus 2 plus I1 anna 1 ayakkarledu, 2 plus I. So imaginary part, real part is 2 and imaginary part is 1. Here another sum, minus 8 minus 6i. Now we have to find the square root of minus 8 minus 6i. Is there any difference in this sum? In this sum, real part is minus 8 and imaginary part, look at the imaginary part. Imaginary part is minus 6 which is less than 0. Minus ante eppudu 0 kanna chinnadi kada. So b value is less than 0. So we have to take negative minus here. Second formula. And here the formula to find square root of a plus ib is equal to plus or minus root of root a square plus b square plus a by 2 minus I into root of root a square plus b square minus a by 2. Here if the b value is less than 0, here we take minus. So substitute in the place of a, substitute minus 8, and in the place of b, substitute minus 6. So a square means minus 8 whole square plus b square means minus 6 whole square plus what is a value? Plus a value is minus 8 by 2 minus I into root of root a square means minus 8 whole square plus b square means minus 6 whole square minus, a minus is there, and a value is again minus 8, another minus 8. So by 2. So here minus 8 into minus 8. Minus into minus will become plus 8. 8 is a 64. And here also minus into minus will become plus 6 is a 36. So 64 plus 36 is root 100. Here plus into minus is minus 8 by 2. Here also this is 8 8 is 64 plus 3 3 is 36. 64 plus 36 is root 100, and here minus and minus, minus into minus will become plus 8. So what is root 100? Square, and we know that square root of 100 is 10. So 10 minus 8, 2. What is 2 by 2? 1. So this is in under root 1 minus I into the root, square root of 100 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. What is 18 by 2? 9. So this is under root. So root 9. What is the value of root 1? 1 minus I into root 9 value is 3. So the square root of root minus 8 minus 6i is plus or minus 1 minus 3i. Okay.